Can I ask you an honest question? Have you ever posted every day for weeks and you get few likes, few views, and no clients? If that is you, you are not alone. One of the biggest myths online is that if you are consistently showing up every day, clients will magically start coming. Consistency is important, but consistency alone does not bring clients. And this is one thing I get to understand now that I have gained experience in working with brands and in building my personal brand. When I started earlier in 2023, I thought when I post every day, before you knew it, clients will start coming. And so I was posting 20 content in a day. Sometimes I do 25 in a day, though I later get results because I was able to sign an international client, but it takes me longer than I expected. So clients do not come because you are just consistent or because you are posting every day. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things you need to do beyond posting if you want your content to begin to bring you clients and amazing opportunities. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Faith Miracle. On this channel, I teach professional founders, business owners how to build their online brand, how to attract amazing opportunities for themselves, how to attract clients, and also increase their revenue. This is the kind of content you are looking for. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Lesson 1: posting every day is not a strategy. Many people wake up every day thinking, I just need to post. So they create content without asking important questions. Who am I trying to help? If your client is trying to talk to everyone, then you are speaking to no one. Before you create content, ask yourself, who is this content for? What problem am I solving? What action do I want people to take after reading or watching this video or reading this content? That is when your content become intentional and not random. So remember this: posting is an activity, strategy is a decision, and you need both to strive in the online place. Lesson 2: people follows value, not volume. Think about the creators you followed. You don't follow them because they post every hour. You follow them because when they post, you learn something tangible. Instead of asking, how many content should I post this week? Ask, will this post solve a problem for someone reading this content or watching this video? One valuable post can build more trust than thousands of posts that help no one. Lesson 3: don't just create content, build relationship. And this is one thing I'm intentionally doing in my community, and that is why I built the Rise and Brand community. It is a free community for every intentional expert, professionals, and anyone who wants to build global opportunities and attract clients and sign in amazing opportunities. Kindly reach out to me to join the platform for free. Many creators miss opportunities because they just post. After posting, they disappear. But social media is called social media for a reason. Reply to comments, thanks those who share and engage on your content. Start a conversation. Engage with people in your industry, in your niche. Engage with them, search for them, follow them, and begin to engage with them. As you engage with them, as time goes on, they will notice you, and if they are intentional also to grow and to rise, they will start engaging with you back. For example, if you want SaaS founders as clients, don't just post about helping founders. Go where founders are. Engage with their content. Encourage them. Build conversation with them. Many opportunities begin with just a little conversation. Lesson number 4: content should lead somewhere. Every piece of content you put out there on your platform should have a purpose. Ask yourself, what do I want this content to do? Do I want people to subscribe? Do I want them to like? Do I want them to engage on my content? Or do I want them to join my community or send me a message? Without a clear next step, people consume your content and move ahead. Always guide your audience to the next step they need to take after reading your content. So if you are posting every day and still not getting clients, remember these four things. Number one, posting is not the same as having a strategy. Number two, focus on value and not just volume. Number three, build relationship, don't just create content. And number four, give every piece of content value and purpose. When you combine these four things, your content become purposeful and it begins to attract clients who need your services and who trust you and want to do business and connect with you better. If this video helped you, I did love you to subscribe and like, and I'm inviting you to join my community, which is the Rise and Brand community. Every week, I share practical steps to help you build your brand, attract global opportunities, and increase your revenue. It is a network of people who are willing to grow together, rise together, and attract amazing opportunities together. Now, I did like to hear from you. Which of these four lessons challenge you the most? Leave your answers in the comments and let's keep learning and growing together. Rise and brand, together we rise, together we grow. Bye bye. See you in my next lesson.